You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.